Hi, this is Abhinav Joshi, Virtualization and Cloud Solutions Architect at NetApp. In this demo, I will showcase the future integration between VMware vCloud Director, NetApp FlexClone, and VMware vCenter Orchestrator. This integration enables the rapid provisioning and availability of space-efficient VMs in vCloud Director. I will also walk through how the NetApp storage efficiency capabilities extend the value of clouds built on vCloud Director. VMware vCloud Director is a new product from VMware. It leverages the power and flexibility of virtualization through VMware vSphere and allows the abstraction and pooling of infrastructure resources into logical service offerings. vCloud Director provides the automation and management required by service providers and enterprise customers to build internal and external clouds. It provides the tenants with a self-service access to the virtual environment, which comprises of compute, storage, and network resources, so that they can self-provision and manage their virtual machines. vCloud Director and NetApp Unified Storage enables IT as a service with the desired scalability, elasticity, secure multi-tenancy, and efficient data protection. Tenant requirements in the cloud can be very dynamic and elastic. Clouds demand hundreds of VMs to be available quickly as the tenant business needs grow or as new tenants are added to the system. To meet the growing needs driven by business dynamics, multi-tenant cloud infrastructure solutions should be scalable, elastic, and cost-efficient. VMware vCloud Director supports both the tenant self-service and the cloud admin-driven VM provisioning. In the tenant self-service provisioning, the tenants initiate the VM provisioning operation in vCloud Director. Leveraging the API integration, VMs are created in vSphere using VMware full clone capability. The tenants can either provision the VMs in an existing vApp or create a new vApp and then provision the VM inside the vApp. In the cloud admin-driven provisioning, based on the requirements from existing and new tenants, the cloud admin provisions the VMs in vSphere and makes them available as vApps in the tenant virtual data center in vCloud Director. VM provisioning operations for traditional legacy storage arrays results in each VM requiring a full copy on disk and also in memory. As the cloud infrastructure scales with hundreds of tenants and thousands of virtual machines, the cost efficiency of the traditional legacy storage array can be a big challenge. Let's briefly discuss the rapid VM provisioning and storage efficiency on NetApp Unified Storage. For both the tenant self-service and the cloud admin-driven provisioning, NetApp FlexClone capability can be leveraged to rapidly provision hundreds of space-efficient VMs in a matter of few minutes. And the VMs can be instantly made available in the tenant virtual data centers. This significantly extends the value of vCloud Director as the tenants can be rapidly and efficiently enabled on demand. As new writes happen, the NetApp primary storage deduplication helps eliminate redundant blocks of data belonging to different VMs. NetApp guarantees at least 50% storage savings with the storage efficiency capabilities. NetApp dedube-aware flash cache strongly complements the data deduplication capabilities. In addition to the data being deduplicated on disk, it is also deduplicated in memory. This results in accelerating the performance of the multi-tenant cloud environment without any negative trade-offs. As we see here, the different VMs are performing the read operations from essentially the same set of deduplicated blocks of storage available in the storage cache. To summarize, NetApp rapid cloning and storage efficiency capabilities ensure that the storage cost is no longer a bottleneck for scalable cloud deployments. To achieve higher levels of operational efficiency, it requires automating the entire process of first rapidly provisioning the VMs in vSphere using the NetApp FlexClone integration and then importing the VMs into the tenant virtual data centers in vCloud Director. VMware vCenter Orchestrator exactly does that. It automates the task for VMware vSphere and enables the orchestration between multiple platforms in the solution. It allows the administrators to turn the predefined best practices into automated workflows. Leveraging vCenter Orchestrator, the entire VM provisioning task in vCloud Director can be fully automated. In this demo, we will showcase the cloud admin-driven provisioning workflow. The first step is the rapid provisioning of VMs, leveraging the NetApp FlexClone integration with vCenter Orchestrator and VMware vSphere. The next step is the automatic import of the VMs into the tenant virtual data centers in vCloud Director. We are logged into the VMware vCloud Director and currently viewing one of the virtual data centers for the tenant called Org4. There are currently 2 VApps in this virtual data center. This is the vSphere environment backing the VMware vCloud Director. This is the VMware vCenter Orchestrator. Here we see the predefined workflow for the cloud admin to rapidly provision VMs in VMware vCloud Director, leveraging the NetApp FlexClone. Let's execute this workflow to create some VMs. Here we select the VM from the vCenter inventory that we want to use as the source for cloning. Let's select the tenant virtual data center called org VDC in VMware vCloud Director, where we want the newly created VMs to be automatically imported. Let's specify the name of the new VMs that will be created. Let's click the Submit button at the bottom to start the provisioning workflow. In the vCenter task pane at the bottom, we see that the NetApp FlexClone capability is being leveraged to rapidly clone the VMs. The VM provisioning is done, and now the vCenter Orchestrator has invoked the workflow to import the VMs into the tenant virtual data center. Flipping back to the VMware vCloud Director, we see that 4 new VApps have been created with 1 VM in each VApp. The entire operation of VM provisioning took only a couple of minutes, and each of the newly created VM does not consume any new storage. This is a significant value add for instantly and cost efficiently being able to meet the demands of new or existing tenants. To summarize, the integration between NetApp FlexClone, VMware vCloud Director, and vCenter Orchestrator provides the capability to fully automate the rapid provisioning of space-efficient VMs. This integration and the NetApp storage efficiency and performance acceleration capabilities helps both the service providers and enterprise customers to more efficiently meet the ever-growing demands of their tenants. This enables the cloud to be more scalable, elastic, and cost-efficient. This has been Abhinav Joshi, Virtualization and Cloud Solutions Architect at NetApp. If you would like to know more about the solution, please talk to your NetApp sales representative. We would be happy to help you deploy the next generation cloud infrastructures. Thanks and have a nice day.